Hey, boys and girls. All right, for social studies today, we will be talking about the Plateau region. So, the American Indians of the Plateau. Now, in your slideshow, there are two slides for Plateau. So, this one that you see here and this one. You can choose to read it on your own, or you can click on this link here and listen to me read it to you. Or you can do both. All right. In your duty logbook, this is Plateau. Looks the same, doesn't it? Very similar to what you've been doing for the other regions. Everything's the same. You've got describe the land and weather, tribes, plants and wildlife, housing materials, artifacts, and clothing or accessories. Okay. So today I'm going to be brief. I want you to take a look. Most everything is in order from left to right as you go through the reading. So right away in that first paragraph, I see it's talking about location, it's talking about weather, and it's talking about tribes. Okay? And then over here, I see that it's talking about the plants and animals. It says it right there. Perfect. Okay? Then it goes into artifacts. This one's pretty this one is laid out very good. On the second page, it talks more about clothing, accessories, and other things that were used. So I want you to go through and do your very best to fill in, just like Mr. Plude had talked about early on when he introduced our chapter. And he and I chatted today, and it's time for you to do more of the looking and finding the text evidence to describe land and weather, tribes, plants and wildlife, housing materials, artifacts, clothing or accessories. So enjoy this region. It's very interesting. Have a great day.